Hey, good morning, everybody. Hope you guys slept really well last night. Guys, let's talk about this ridiculous news. You guys probably heard, we're not wasting time here. Let's dive on in. Binance is getting sued by the SEC. Okay, Binance is getting sued, as well as CZ, by the SEC. You guys notice the SEC said the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange mixed billions of dollars in customer funds and secretly sent them to a separate company controlled by Binance founder CZ. Not going to try to pronounce his name here. We have that in the news. And then if you guys hopefully you guys have heard this morning. If not, you're hearing it here first. Today, this just came out. Okay, the U.S. SEC, the SEC is suing Coinbase one day after suing Binance. So what is all of this about? Okay, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on Tuesday, which is today, sued Coinbase, which has dropped about 21%. The stock has dropped about 21%. It's recovering a little bit this morning, accusing the largest U.S. cryptocurrency exchange of operating illegally without having first registered with the regulator. Part of me wants to say, like, are you kidding me? They've been around this long and you guys are just now trying to tell us this and just try to find this? Sorry, but I don't mean to make light of this. I feel like it's partly just really ridiculous that we're kind of finally getting this to come out in the market. And I'm going to say some things that I'm going to get blown up in the comments about, and that's just going to be okay with me because I've been through this cycle and I've seen this type of doom and gloom come out before. And I just talked to our members about this in our future forecast. And that is, okay, these lawsuits can be claimed against these exchanges, against these individuals, against Brian Armstrong, against CZ, but there nothing has been actually proven yet. I feel inside, and I know I'm going to use a gut feeling about this, that this could be a point of manipulation in the market where this is a great time for retail traders to absolutely get scared out of their minds, guys, to end up selling. I'm going to go over that here in a second. Let me give us some positive news before we get into the metrics, talk to you guys about what I want to show you. With all of this going on, guys, we just won another scalping trade if you guys are following us. So we are now 25 wins and 0 losses for all of our scalping, and we have been doing incredibly well, and I may be calling out some more trades here pretty soon. I'm going to mash this all together and give you guys some sense of what I'm doing with my account. I have literally just about right at $250,000, and I'm going to update you guys from what I told you yesterday, because yesterday's video, if you guys watch this, I mentioned to you guys the symmetrical triangle pattern. We're probably going to see a slight move down and we're going to see a big move back up. But I said we are not going to see a big crash. Some of you guys are like, I don't care what you said. I totally get that. But I'm trying to show you guys confidence here that I do not see this being a big crash in the market. I'm going to go over the metrics, but take a look at this. We are just simply, I know I'm saying simply, yeah, exchanges are getting sued, but we are simply testing a retest, a break-in retest of the strongest structure support we have the entire year of 2023. It is $25,300. That's all we're doing right now is we are coming up, we're breaking, we're testing here. Do you find it interesting that the morning that Coinbase gets sued, everyone freaks out, the market initially drops, and then we're actually seeing almost every single coin in the green? And Ape is up 12%, by the way. Like, is that ironic to anybody out there, or is that just me? Okay, let's keep going here. What you are seeing right now this morning, and these metrics have been updated, you are now officially pushing the emotional sentiment of all retail traders into fearful. That's what we just got this morning. And I'm telling you guys, don't try to do this on your own. I know it sounds like sales. You guys need to get over and just purchase a membership and start trading with some accuracy. Some of you guys are losing your shorts right now, and I want to talk to you guys about that. You are looking at this past historical data. We have come down to this 3 other times. We have been fearful. And while you're probably, I don't want to put it on you, but you may be thinking of you're just selling all of your crypto right now because you think all of your altcoins are going to be classified as securities and you're going to dump everything into Bitcoin. Let me just show you something here. The last 3 times, it has been a 100% accuracy that the market moves up when we enter into a fearful state in the market. There's what's called the Fear and Greed Index on CNN. This is way better than that. I've already compared both of them. We are now in the fear section. So what I did is I ended up buying, we trade a stock called Riot, which is a Bitcoin mining company. I bought $10,000 worth of Riot just this morning at $9.90. Okay, because I can see Bitcoin is producing a pattern here where when we get fearful, this would be 4 out of 4 times, literally 100%. And this actually dips down to fearful over here, and it called that move as well. So we have 4 times in the past history that show the event of historical performance in view that we are just in a fearful section right now with this news coming out. And I do believe this could be a very good place to re-enter the market. Could it go down? Of course it could keep going down. But Historical data shows us, which is the only thing we all have to work off here, this is a high probability chance that we start seeing a rebound here within the next 3 to 4 days. Okay, volatility breakout detector ended up coming out here and just shooting straight back up because we ended up seeing, the drop the other day in the market just dropped very, very fast. And so we're seeing high volatility in the market. Okay, let's move down. Look at this. Okay, when I talk to you guys about this, you need to be looking at these metrics on a daily basis, because here's my gut feeling. A lot of people watching this video right now and you hearing my voice, you are probably considering selling some of your crypto. And don't let me tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. Can I just show you data and you make your own conclusions? When we saw this type of drastic buying, which you guys need to understand, this is buying long trade sentiment from whales, that is when we crashed this last time, we moved straight back up. We saw a lot of buying from whales here and we consolidated and then moved back up. A lot of buying from whales over here and we moved straight back up. A lot of buying from whales over here and we moved straight back up. A lot of buying from whales and we moved back up. This is unarguable data that's staring at you guys in the face. And me too, by the way, because I'm trading my portfolio as well. I can see that we have pushed up to an 800 to 1,000 metric value on the buying power, the long trade sentiment for whale smart money. And this is partly why I put another $10,000 into Right, which is a Bitcoin mining company I told you guys about just this morning. And I'm not going to be selling my crypto. I would rather bank, are you guys going to bank on the market going down even further or follow metrics that have been right? Here's the perfect call here. They've been right here. It was right here. It was correct there. It was correct over here, consolidation, and it was correct here. So you've got 5 points of data that say that's correct. Are you going to bet on the sixth one being the drop? That's what we use metrics and indicators for, is to give us an advantage of a percentage likelihood of it moving back up. And this is why I'm not selling. I actually bought $10,000 worth of Right this morning. Okay, I think this is pretty bullish. Watch these metrics every day, guys. You're going to be getting a lot of good access here. Okay, check it out. Support. Bitcoin coming down 25,800. We passed that. Now, as I've been talking to you guys about, it's 25,300. We have just hit this. Let me go back over here really quick and we're going to come back over to this chart. But all we've done is we've come down and we've hit this and we've moved back up. As long as we can stay above $25,300, we are bueno, okay? We're doing pretty good. Long and short trades have not been changed at all. That's very good. Trade scanner, we have not gotten a buy signal, so let's go over that. If you guys want to look for the best next entry, which you guys can clearly see has been called by the strong buy, the buy here, and the buy here, look for the next buy signal on the top and bottom finder. Get trend exhaustion low, which by the way is already there, and then you're looking for well money flow to be low. We already have 1 out of the 3 confirmations done. Trend exhaustion is low. Okay, period. That is low. And then we were looking for these other moves in the market. Get these indicators and definitely get a membership with us to set this up. I'm going to leave in the description. I'm going to leave you guys the first line in the description, and I pinned it to this video. That's the membership link. Get that membership so you guys can watch these metrics every day. And we've got these on every single coin. Literally, the top 20 coins, you guys can view this. We only charge $59 a month. So you can literally go to any coin and look at all of the data. Look at what whales are doing. Look at what's happening with Ethereum this morning. Look at what's going on with the emotional index. Look at the breakout detector. Look at what whales are doing. They're even buying over here on Ethereum for smart money. And they bought over here and the price jumped. They bought over here, the price jumped. They bought over here, the price jumped. They bought here, the price jumped. Look at historical data that we have here to help you guys trade better. And look at over this too. Long trades have been increasing. They've not been decreasing. It's probably a piling up before another move up in the market. So keep watching that. Go to future forecast. Look at the charts that I'm never going to be showing anybody on YouTube here, which I promise you guys will give you confidence about this market. And I just released it this morning. And then trade setups over here, which now we've gone 25 wins and 0 losses and 9 trades pending. So you guys can actually get into some if you wanted to. This is $59 a month. That's all we're charging you guys. So definitely come over here. Have fun joining our team. And the indicators, I'll leave that with you guys here right now. I'll make this really quick. Indicators, snag these on your charts. Bundle pack is 82% off. The top and bottom finder, you guys want to make sure you get the bundle pack first because I'm actually going to give you guys a $400 coupon code off the top and bottom finder. These are all links. Again, the first link is in the membership. The second link is the link for the bundle pack, and the indicators will take you actually exactly to this page. Click the bundle pack, add it to your cart, and we're going to give you guys $400 off the top and bottom finder. Follow along because the next best entry we have for this, a sign for the market to move back up here, is going to be a buy signal on top and bottom finder. We're going to look for well money flow low and trend exhaustion low. We can see right here. We saw that. Trend exhaustion low, well money flow low, buy signal in the market. Okay, we have trend exhaustion low, well money flow, buy signal in the market, and we saw moves back up. This is how we're timing the markets, and this is how we're also going to time some exits and actually exit some of our crypto in this next bull run, which we already have a plan. I'm going to tell you guys in the membership, and I'm only going to keep there. I will not be releasing that to YouTube. So my goal is to turn $250,000 into $1 million by the end of 2025, or actually the end of 2024, depending on how well the halving event goes. So if you guys want to join us in all of that, I think you guys will really like it. Okay, guys, God bless you guys. Have a good one. Yes, this is kind of crazy that the market's been coming out here and, Bitcoin dropped. I actually see this as a flushing out of retail trader money. Again, flushing out of retail trader money, because what happens when the retail traders sell? It provides liquidity for the big institutions. I believe that, or let me say it a different way. I'm not going to come out and try to give you guys data that's not congruent with what's happened in the history. I believe we are due for a move up in Bitcoin. And if you think otherwise, you have to speculate, because I have data that proves over here that we have a very high likelihood that we're going to head up based off money flow, based off what smart money is doing, as well as the emotional index all the way back to the beginning of 2023. I can see there's a high chance this market moves up here, and it does not see a big crash. It may fluctuate a little bit, but overall, I see a move up here, and I'm not going to argue with the metrics. They've been right 100% of the time, the last times this has happened here. 1, 2, 3, and actually 4 over here. That's my data. I'm going to stick to it because it is the best data, and I think you guys are going to really like it when you guys can access this every morning. Watching the metrics update every single day, even over the weekend, so you guys can watch all these for every coin. And let's see if this plays out over here. All right, guys, I love you. Have a good one, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.